The National Weather Service in Motorville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ginger Vale, Alsea, Western Baltus, and Baden. At 12:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackstone, Motorville, Alsea City, Grants Pass, Shady Cove, and Swingstone. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. Airborne debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Gorilla-sized hail will cause severe injuries to people and animals, and destroy roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect extensive power outages and devastating tree damage. Mobile homes and outbuildings will suffer major damage or destruction. Areas of impact include Ginger Vale, Alsea, Western Baltus, and Baden. Take cover now, take cover now, take cover now. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Stay away from windows, you could be killed. Trees will crash into buildings. If you live in a trailer or mobile home, evacuate to a sturdy, permanent shelter immediately.